My name is Brian J. Dawa, CRI 314, Code 6377. Article 14, Aggravating Circumstances. Article 14, Paragraph 1. The advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2. That the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Then, paragraph 3. That the act be committed with insult or disregard of the respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be committed in a dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Paragraph 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. Paragraph 5. That the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or in place dedicated to religious worship. Paragraph 6. That the crime be committed in the night time or in an inhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. Paragraph 7. That the crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity of misfortune. 8. That the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who ensure or afford impunity. Article 9. That the accused is a recidivist. Paragraph 9. That the accused is recidivist. Recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for her crime shall be previously convicted by final judgment by another crime embraced in the same title of code. Paragraph 10. So, ganito. the offender has been previous punished by an offense to which the law attach an equal or greater penalty, or for two more crimes to which it attach a lighter penalty. Paragraph 11. That the crime be committed consideration of a price or promise. Paragraph 12. That the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, explosion, poison, explosion, stranding, of vessel or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Paragraph 13. That the act be committed with Paragraph 13. That the act be committed with evidence of premeditation. Paragraph 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Paragraph 15. That the advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Paragraph 16. That the act be committed with treachery. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crime against the person employed, means method or forms in the execution thereof which tend directly and especially to ensure its equation without risk himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Paragraph 17. That the means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Paragraph 18. That the crime be committed after unlawful entry. There is an unlawful entry when an entrance of suspect or a crime, wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Paragraph 20. That a crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of 15 years old by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercraft, airship, or other similar means. Paragraph 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.